Here comes your weekly market preview for Monday, July 18th. The week of Monday, July 18th, we're going to come at you with the earnings calendar because, hey, guess what? We're back in earnings season. It all kicks off Monday in the pre-market. Here's what we're going to get. Bank of America, Goldman Sachs on this board, Charles Schwab on this board. So the big banks wrap up Monday in the pre-market for earnings. Let's move on to Tuesday. Some of the old tech on this board, IBM front and center for Tuesday. Toy maker Hasbro, one of those stocks that can actually give you a bit of a trade around earnings season. We're also going to get Johnson & Johnson on Tuesday. After the bell Tuesday, before the open on Wednesday, yeah, there's the big one front and center, Netflix. What a mover this has been over the past 2 days here this week. We'll see what happens next week for Netflix. Let's move on because, yeah, more big names on this board with Tesla coming on Thursday, United Airlines and American Airlines on this board for Thursday as well. And it doesn't end there because Snapchat and American Express also, among others, set to report earnings this week. Here comes a few other names to watch going into next week. The big one obviously coming on Monday. Google set to split. Yeah, get set. Monday morning, you're going to have a whole bunch more Google shares than you had as of the end of day on Friday. So news catalyst number one, we'll watch Google coming up on Monday, set to be quite the trade. This might be a trade. It might also not be a trade. We're talking cannabis shares. We might get a vote. We might not get a vote. The legalization vote set to hit the floor possibly next week in the Senate in Washington. So cannabis shares popped up on that news that this vote could be possibly coming next week. We'll watch the entire group heading into the week to come. Here's a look at some big time economic releases coming next week. Retail sales, obviously, we got Friday. That came out a lot better than expected, 1% versus 0.8. Coming up on the 21st next week, Philly Fed Business Index can be a bit of a market mover. It doesn't always, though. University of Michigan sentiment numbers to come as well. We'll also get initial jobless claims next Thursday. Overall, a bit of a quiet week on the economic calendar. The big event to come, obviously, the Fed meeting, not next week, but the following week, Tuesday and Wednesday. That will be the next interest rate decision. We'll wrap up on a positive note. We threw something special in to end the video off. Neil and Sean's picks for the week of July 18th. Google, first off, yeah, the big split finally here. 20-for-1 stock split set to take effect Monday before the open. Netflix as well, set to report earnings after market July 20th. It's been on such a tear, an amazing day to end off the week on Friday for Netflix. We'll watch both of those coming up. Grab the watch list, guys. Use the QR code bottom of the screen right now. We'll catch you on Monday on TraderTV.Live.